The fifth Talon said someone was coming. That's you? The demon of Virantium? I thought you were dead.
I get that a lot.
We found a group of Venatori hiding out in the market. Not far from Cafe Pietra.
I knew it. I told Ilario they were still here.
Let's see if they know where we can find Zara Renata.
Spy on me all you wish. You will always see me represent.
It's locked.
So we go up.
Get moving, you layabouts. Don't keep Aquila waiting. He'll be a miserable pain in the ass all day. Kill the heretics!
Now's your chance. These Venatori put roaches to shame.
They're damn hard to get rid of. Eyes open.
Look around. We need to know where they came from. This won't help us.
This won't get us anywhere.
Here. Now this could lead us somewhere. One step closer to the target.
Aquila, huh? And he's Zara's toady. Let's go meet Zara's trusted little toady at the back.
You're thinking about it again.
What?
Gillenane. Playing it over in your head won't change the ending.
I need to know what went wrong.
And the good of that game only lasts so long.
Your lecture.
Got us in the distance!
End it now.
Got us from a distance!
They're at range. Save a little for the rest of us, Rook.
You're thinking about it again.
What?
Gillenane. Playing it over in your head won't change the ending.
I need to know what went wrong.
And the good of that game only lasts so long.
You're lecturing me about letting things go?
Oh, I'm awful at it. Of all my charming qualities, that's not the one to copy.
What are Venatori doing so far from Tevinter?
Venatori are like rats. They go wherever they find opportunity.
What's this? Demon of Varantia. What? He knows you. He's one of Zara's. There you
Death is our punishment!
necessary. Sure, you can strike a blow. Follow him. He can lead us to Zara.
Well, that's done. There's a problem.
His pockets are stuffed with jewelry from the Chantry.
Venatori in the Chantry. Let's see if we can catch them there.
Are you sure you're ready for this? Facing Zara, I mean.
I lost a year of my life to that Venatori witch. I owe her for that.
There you are. What took you so long? Did you stop?
Ilario? What are you doing here?
I'm coming with you, cousin. No arguments.
This is my job.
This is Crow business.
How did you even know we'd be here?
Rook, always a pleasure. Touring the city with my cousin? You must allow me to show you the sights.
Lucanis told you not to come.
This isn't your type of job, cousin. There's no one you can charm into dropping their guard. Only fanatics. All you can do is get yourself killed.
You think I'm not good enough?
Are you?
Fine. Have it your way, cousin. You know best.
Let's go, Rook. Zara is waiting.
Go on then. Don't keep Zara waiting.
You were right, Lucanis. They are hiding in the Chantry.
Make an offering of their blood to Lord Lucanis and Lady Latin
I'm ready. Let's go. Now's your chance. Is that all of them?
No,
That was Portia, Zara's favorite dreamer and soothsayer. She used to come to the mortuary to read bones. If she's here, so is Zara.
Where does this go?
Another dark hole. Zara will not escape me.
We'll finish the job.
Now it's your turn.
End it now. We cannot stop now.
You. I will bring Lady Zara your beating hearts as a gift.
Take them down!
Out of the range.
We need to close it.
Another setup.
Now's your chance.
End this!
Got us at range. Watch it. Under fire. Watch it. Not too bad.
He'd follow Zara around the prison like a sycophantic shadow. We're close. He won't be far from her side.
Slaughter the heretic! Got company.
Take this show! Well executed! End this! They're down.
Enough! You die!
Where are the bodyguards? Let's make this quick. Nonas and decimos. I don't know if those were their names or if Zara just numbered her guards. We're close. I can feel someone using blood magic. A lot of blood magic.
You can sense that.
It makes the back of my eyes hurt.
The work of the blood mage.
Lucanis. It's terribly uncivilized to drop in on a lady unannounced. Now the evening's ruined.
You've got something on yourself.
How very eloquent.
You're mine, Zara. I send you my knife through your heart.
And her temper poor manners interrupting my fast. Get
Get out of there! Behind you!
Need to move. Got us from a distance. That's one for us. My job's done. Your turn. Got us at a distance. Under fire. Watch it. You won't do a damn thing. They're at range. Now it's your turn. Not too bad. Clear out. We're on fire. Look out!
That's enough of that.
My job's done. Your turn.
We need to close it.
We're under fire. Got the setup. The rest.
Only in my bath chamber. That just won't do.
Finale moves yours. Goddess of rain, watch it! Now it's your turn. I'm good to go. Behind you.
Not until you're dead. Take it now.
Darling, who's yours?
No, not yet.
So serious, Lucanis. Why don't we talk? I can tell you much about the Notori. Pet crows.
No, I want her heart quivering on our life.
You want to know who betrayed you, don't you? Who sent you to the ossuary?
Doc.
I knew you were risk.
Ilario? I told you this is crow business.
Amato.
No! Mine! Get Ilario out!
What? No!
Rook, I can't! That's enough! Relent.
What did you do to him?
Nothing. I don't know what happened any better than you. You have to get him out of here. Rook, keep him away. From Treviso, from the cross. He is a danger to the family.
You're awake.
Yes. I've been trying to figure out what to say to you. And there aren't words enough to apologize. It's never been that bad before.
Lucanis, you don't have to do this alone. We have people who can help. Emmerich.
Looks at me like a thesis topic. We need to talk about Ilario.
He wants you to stay away from the crows. He thinks you're a danger to your family.
He's not wrong. If I cannot stay in control... He used blood magic to control spite.
What? How? He's not a mage.
I don't know, but something's not right.
The night you were captured, did Ilario know you were boarding that ship?
Yes.
And if it turns out he betrayed you?
Then make her help him.